What's up, guys? I'm at CES. I'm at the Removu booth. I actually filmed these guys last year because they had a wearable gimbal last year. So this year they got something new. Check this out. So this is basically a handheld self-stabilizing 4K camera. They're calling the K1. This is super compact. I mean, look how small this thing is. It's tiny. And the nice thing about this thing is it has a battery that'll last for 4 hours. So no more running with the GoPro, having to change the battery out every 45 minutes to an hour with a GoPro. This one will go for 4 hours straight. And you can get 4K video with this. You can get, I think it's 4K at 30 frames, 1080p at 120 frames per second, so you can get that slow-mo. And then it even does 720 at like 200 and something, I don't know what it was, like 250 frames per second, something like that. Some pretty good slow-mo for 720. But, and here's the best part I like about this thing. If you look right here, there's a mic jack for a microphone. So you can actually plug in a little mic if you want to get really good audio. They said the onboard mics are already pretty good as it is, but you plug in a mic and you can really clean up the audio, as well as use a wired mic, like say a lav mic or a handheld interview mic. Pretty cool.
So there's a trigger on the back of the hand grip. If you click it once, it says smaller mode. So what it does is basically the camera will follow you everywhere. And if you click it once more, it switches to pen mode. So it locks horizon, so it'll keep the same level.
Oh, nice. So the horizon never changes.
Yes. And there's a 4-way joystick. You can move it around. You can also zoom in and out if you click on it and hold on to it. Oh, you hold the trigger down? Hold the trigger. And then push the toggle? And push the one up and
nice.
down.
That is something that I can't do with my GoPro. Really? Yeah. That is awesome.
And if you click it twice, it'll always recenter the camera for you.
Oh, nice.
And 3 times, it's selfie mode.
Selfie mode. Right. That is awesome. I love that.
We also have micro SD card slot here, so you can plug in any 32 to 256 gigabyte.
Oh, it goes all the way up to
256.
256. Yeah. That's big.
And there's many buttons and different settings for video. There's a lot of different resolution settings and photo settings. And one thing I like about our product is interchangeable smart battery. It
nice.
goes up to 4 hours of continuous.
That's another big selling point,
right.
Because my GoPro doesn't last not even 40 minutes.
And you can always recharge through USB.
USB. Nice, nice.
Yeah. So this is really all-in-one solution. Portable and lightweight, only 340 grams. So
nice.
It's everyday life and traveling.
That is, to me, one of the best gimbals at CES right now, because you have a built-in LCD screen. Right. I mean, that is huge. I don't want to say the other guy's products, but I just came from another booth where they had pretty much the same thing, 4K stabilized, but you still had to use your phone. Right. This solves that problem.
You don't have to connect to other smartphone or devices.
And you can review the video as well.
Right,
right?
Yeah. And it's 4K. And
it's 4K.
Super clear, stable.
I love it. And then I know guys are going to ask, when is it available and how much do they have to buy it for?
Actually, this is available for pre-order right now. It's $429 US at retail.
Very cool. And then let's end this on a website. What's your website?
Removu.com. It's REMOVU.com.
There you go, guys. I think this is one of the best handheld 4K 3-axis gimbals that you can buy. And I'm going to get my hands on one of these for sure. And then I'm going to get rid of the one that I'm using, right? Because this one's way better. That's awesome. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.